from Unique in the Creek. I've had this idea swirling around my head. I bought the stuff a long time ago to make it. You can still buy it in the stores. I am going to be using, now if you've been to Dollar Tree, you've seen these probably in the summer section, right? I got the child size because there's an adult size and a child size. These are luau skirts, okay? They are made with raffia. So it's just a bunch of raffia tied to a string. Now, we already know that this would be absolutely amazing for a gnome beard. Go sometime this week before they put all the summer stuff away. I know it's still only August, but child size luau skirts. I got a bunch of these. I don't know how many I grabbed because they're only $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I grabbed 7. I'm going to be using luau skirts. I have this black top hat, which I am going to take. It's a pilgrim hat, but I'm going to take the belt thing off. Now, don't throw this away because I'm going to use this somewhere. And I got these black glasses. These are just from the dollar store too. We're going to make Cousin It. He's iconic. He is iconic. Soon as you see that, all that hair with just black glasses and a top hat, you absolutely know it's Cousin It. So let's go down to the board and let's make one. My thinking is, I'm not going to cut this. What you can do is these pieces of raffia, they actually move on your string. And we're going to put layers. So what I'm going to do is move the raffia. I'm going to zip tie the end here. Okay, so this is one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zip tie it. Okay, and this corner. And then move these out. Now we're going to layer this so you will not see all of the strings and stuff. But I want to make sure each. Okay, so these, I'm just going to zip tie here. They're actually made with raffia. So you don't have to cut and measure and everything because it's all done for you. All right, so we got it. Now I'm just going to kind of space these out a bit. Just like that. And I'm going to take some hot glue because I'm going to cut this string off. I'm going to take some hot glue and just kind of hot glue the last one to the board. And put some hot glue on top. And then once it dries, I can cut off this string. And then I'm going to put a zip tie in the middle. So I am using the triangle board. Okay, now I'm going to cut the zip tie. Cut these these strings off. Okay, so I am gluing the last one to the board. Then I'm also gluing the rope, so I can cut the rope and it won't come undone. Okay, so once we get up higher, we won't have to use as much. We won't have to use a whole skirt. But we want to get it full so we don't see the board. Okay. So again, I'm going to take a zip tie, just do the ends and the middle. Oh my God, this is going to be so awesome. All right, then I'm going to zip tie it in the middle again. And the skirt will just layer over top of each other. But you want to make sure you seal the end here before you cut it off the rope. And then you can still add a little bit of glue like on the board and then push down your skirt. Now we're getting a little smaller here. So that's 2 skirts I've used so far. Okay, so this is too big. We're going to cut it this time. Okay, so I have 3 on the side here. And then the rope. You want to make sure the rope is into the zip tie. And then I'm going to scooch all this raffia down. To do. So we'll leave 3 pieces. So I'm pulling it pretty tight. And this is pretty full. Like three of these, and you have the perfect gnome beard. Now it's pretty long, so you can cut it. Cut this string off. All right, cut this one off. Cut this one off. That one's cut off. Now this line is perfectly in half. So I'm going to push this away and I'm going to cut it in half, and we'll use it for the next section. All right, so we're almost close to where the hat's going to cover. All right, I'm going to push this down. I'm going to use all 7 skirts. So it'll be nice and full. All right, so I just I pushed all the raffia together, and I'm doubling this over because I want to make sure for sure that you don't see the board up here, because we don't have too many layers left to go over. These are luau skirts. They are made of raffia from the Dollar Tree. I got kid size. So the kid size is just really a lot shorter. I didn't really want big, long. So, but if they only have one size where you are, you can adapt it. All right, last skirt. This is the 7th one. I am going to fold it over in half, and then I'm going to fold it over again. This is our last row, and we want it really full. I think I'm going to use the outside of the board, the hole to the outside of the board. The only thing, you want to make sure you glue your end so your raffia doesn't come off the rope. All right, I'm going to put it to the side for a sec so we can put on his hat. Because once we put his hat on, and I'm going to glue sunglasses, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the arms of the sunglasses off, and then I'm just going to put glue on the frame and just stick it flat on him. So I'm going to cut it here to here. All right. Okay, I'm going to take these. These are from the dollar store too. So I'm sure they'll break easy, hopefully. I just want to cut the arms off. And it's just plastic. Oh, just twist off. There we go. All right, I'm going to do this in the center. So it's 6 inches wide at the top, so I'm just going to put a hole right here. There we go. So that's all I did was just poke a hole and put the black zip tie. And I'll do the same thing over here. Poke another hole. Okay, and poke another hole. I wish I had a longer hat, but I can trim. There is so much extra. Look how much extra after the board there is. So when I'm outside, I'm going to trim it. So it'll be in proportion with my hat and my sunglasses. Yeah. So his glasses, I'm going to put right about there. I'm just going to glue it. He's a little too long. I just want him to be a little proportional to his hat and his glasses. So I'm just going to put some hot glue on the back rim here. I'm just going to glue him right to. It's just a really cool Halloween idea that you don't need mesh and ribbons and everything for. And I think all the adults trick-or-treating would appreciate it too. Leave it to my husband. I love this. That is so stinking cute. Wait till I gotta put it on my door. And then I'll take some pictures.
Oh, you are going to trim it.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to trim it.
Take off the first row. You got to trim
it. There's the back. So I did zip ties just along the sides and in the middle. I zip tied the hat, top and the sides, hanger. The glasses I got at the Dollar Tree. And the hat I had, it was a pilgrim hat. Really easy and fun to do. Luau skirts, go grab some. Soon they'll have just black felt hats in stores for Halloween costumes and stuff. So, and I'm sure you can probably get them on Amazon. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you soon. And thanks for joining me and hanging out. Bye, everybody.